The major benefit since having my treatment with Dr. Rez has been just an increased confidence in my smile. My name is Toyin and I'm an accountant by training and I live here in Liverpool. I came across Dr. Rez via one of my friends who's already heard about the practice before, and I also watched a YouTube video. There was a lady, I can't remember her name, but she got her teeth done with Dr. Rez, so I was watching her video and her journey through having braces, so that's how I came about Dr. Rez, yeah. The problem that I faced before coming to Dr. Rez was I didn't have a fully straight teeth, and one of my teeth as well hadn't fully grown out. So I wanted Dr. Rez's help to pull the tooth down and have a more straighter smile. I decided to have the treatment done at that particular time because I just came out of COVID, I had a bit of extra funds, and I just felt like, yeah, why not, just get on with it. I chose Dr. Rez because I had seen loads of good reviews about his practice. One of my friends was also someone that had already attended his practice before, and he was singing his praises. Like I said, one of the videos I was watching online was a female who had been to Dr. Rez and was singing his praises as well. So all of that combined, all the reviews combined, I just felt very confident that Dr. Rez was the person to deliver my treatment. My experience at Dr. Rez has been phenomenal. The staff are very welcoming, very pleasant. They make sure that you're well looked after, you're well treated. Dr. Rez himself and the other practitioners are very welcoming individuals as well. They really look after you. They give you the best advice as to what treatment is best suited for the need or for what you require. It feels very luxurious in terms of the practice, the facilities. Aesthetically, the practice is spot on. So yeah, my experience has been nothing but excellent with Dr. Rez. The major benefit since having my treatment with Dr. Rez has been just an increased confidence in my smile. I would say it was definitely a good investment of money and time with Dr. Rez. Obviously, as a patient, you want your treatment to go a little bit quicker, but the practitioners know best. So sometimes it can take longer than you initially think it would. But all in all, it's been a really, really good investment with Dr. Rez. I would say I have noticed the most difference in my smile since I got the treatment. Obviously, my friends and colleagues and my family have also noticed the difference because they saw me going through the process with the braces, and they definitely saw the difference after I took the braces off. But as a patient, you're keeping track of your progress yourself, so you're taking pictures every day, you're taking before and after pictures, so you can clearly see the difference. I would say Dr. Rez's practice is different to my previous dentist practice that I went to, closer to my area in Anfield. Not just in terms of the staff and the facilities that I've got, but just the approach to patient care by Dr. Rez and his team. It's definitely sets him apart from my previous experience with other practices. My advice to other people who are considering a treatment with Dr. Rez is be open, come to Dr. Rez, obviously have an idea of what you want to get done or what you want to achieve at the end of your treatment. But one thing that Dr. Rez and his team are very good at is they will look at your requirements, your need, and they will advise you as to what the best treatment is for yourself. So just be open. And my other advice would be don't be in a rush to get the job done. It's better it takes 6 months, 2 years, get the perfect job than for it to be rushed and take 2 months and you're not fully happy with the results. So take your time, come to a consultation and trust his expertise. I would 100% recommend Dr. Rez to my friends and my family. I already have recommended Dr. Rez to a number of my friends, some of which have already came to Dr. Rez for their treatments as well. So 110% I would recommend him and his practice.